super well. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Nihal. Today is going to be all about my fall essentials. I'm going to share my top 10 fall essentials that I need in my wardrobe and hopefully can recommend some new items to you, and just another reason to talk about fashion, right? Being that I live in New York, we get fall pretty early in October and it goes on until late November. I would say early December. The seasons are starting to change, but it does get to winter very quickly. So as soon as I can enjoy the fall weather, the crisp weather outside with my stockings and my skirt, I make use of that because that is the type of winter that I'm used to, being from Australia. But that is not the reality of the winter in New York. So before I get all my thermals out, I want to enjoy the cute foliage, the slight crisp air, and everything that my wardrobe has to offer for that. Okay, I'm going to start with one of my essentials that you should have in your wardrobe. A blazer, okay, but not just any blazer, a tweed blazer. I love tweed blazers. I have a whole collection of tweed blazers even back home. This one particular is from Marche and it has this beautiful lining inside, very comfortable. And it's a purple tweed, which is just such a fabulous color for autumn. It has like a clasp detail. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the crop length on it. I love it with jeans. I love like a casual tank top just underneath it, and then just statement little blazer makes such a difference. And I love to wear this in the fall as much as I can, or even going out, just placing it over your shoulders for that elevated look is just extra. So this is definitely something I recommend. Moving on, another fall essential for me is a chunky knit. I'm very based on fabric, so I don't really buy anything that's polyester or anything that is going to make me feel itchy or uncomfortable, make me sweat. So I'm very particular with my fabric. I will always check the fabric tag before I buy a knit specifically. This one I just picked up from J. Crew. Now do not sleep on J. Crew. They have the best fabrics for a great price. They always have discounts, like 40% off store-wide. Like, you're going to get a major discount at J. Crew, but you're also going to get good fabric. So I picked up this gray sweater, which is absolutely stunning. And just to tell you specifically how great the fabric is, it has 24% wool and also 12% alpaca wool. So it's very cozy, and then it's just got the collar that I like, where it's like that kind of big collar look, the zip in the center. And I love wearing this with just jeans, trousers, oversized, or even just tucked in with like a wintry skirt. So a chunky knit is definitely essential, but not too thick for like winter, but that great transitional fabric is needed. I am a skirt and stockings and a cute butte kind of girl. Just to mention one that I absolutely love is this ALC skirt. ALC is a brand I discovered in New York when I moved here. I'm not sure if it's a New York brand, it might be. They stock it at Bloomingdale's. They also have stores in Soho, I believe, but they do great quality wear. Not too expensive. I would say it's like a contemporary brand, same as Marche. But this print is just absolutely stunning. Comes with a matching jacket, and I just love that kind of set look. And this is super comfortable, great length, not too short, not too long. Looks great with knits tucked in, tucked out. But I love that style with a mid-length, like a calf-length boot and a wool skirt. Actually, I'm not sure if this is wool. Let me see. Let me check the tag, most importantly. Yes, 74% wool, 23% polymide. I don't know how to say that, but there you go. It's super cozy, it's very thick. Like, you could wear this bare legs or with stockings depending on the weather, but enjoy the skirt season, because once winter comes in, I cannot wear stockings. I have to wear thermals. So I am taking that all in. Okay, moving on to an accessory that I wanted to mention. And this will come as no surprise. I'm sharing my classic flap Chanel. I cannot stop wearing this handbag. Now, this is the classic medium flap with gold hardware and lamb skin leather. I can't stop wearing her. I wear this bag all the time. It goes with every single outfit. So I'll say for the transitional fall essentials, I wouldn't say a Chanel bag is essential, but a neutral bag that goes with all outfits. It's also comfortable and fits most things. And this bag just goes with everything. Like I could wear it with this dress right now and it'll just go, see? Just looks perfect. It just pulls every outfit together, and I'm so glad I bought it in the gold and I didn't buy it in the silver because yeah, stunning. So a neutral bag definitely is an essential for fall. Another essential for fall is a leather jacket. This one in particular is real leather. I love it. I've had it for years. I actually picked this one up from Hong Kong. I was in Hong Kong years ago. I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe before 2019. Yeah, it was 2018. I went with my mum and we had a huge shopping trip to Hong Kong. We enjoyed Hong Kong so much, and I picked up this leather jacket. I've had it ever since. I wear it all the time. It's like a motor jacket. It has these silver hardware, zips, motor style jacket, but it just adds so much to the outfit. I love wearing it with a feminine dress, or like a feminine, like the skirt I just showed you previously. I would wear that with this, or even on an evening out. If you have a super dressy outfit, a leather jacket over your shoulders is always a great idea, as well as a blazer, but the leather jacket dresses it down a little bit more. So if you were looking for that, always is a great option to style in the fall and is an essential jacket for me. If you can hear the sirens, sorry about all that noise, but I live in the city and I can't control the noise because it actually never stops. So moving on to shoes, I wanted to share loafers. I love styling loafers in the fall, transitional times, the spring especially as well. Bare legs with cute white socks and these loafers, or black socks, or with stockings. You don't want to commit to boots. Loafers are a great style option. I think everyone needs loafers in their wardrobe. These particular ones are from J. Crew. They are leather, but they're quite a sturdy leather. So FYI, but I do like the buckle on these. They're simple, they don't have any hardware, and that's kind of what I wanted, and they're also a patent leather. Next, trousers and jeans. A pair of jeans I just picked up actually are these beautiful ones, which are super flared. Well, I wouldn't say they're super flared, but I would say a dark denim jean is essential for fall. I love wearing this with just like that leather jacket that I showed you, this dark jean wash, and then because it's quite long and it's flat at the bottom, you wear a heel underneath that we can't really see, especially a pointy heel where the point sticks out, and you look like, well, especially when I go out with my boyfriend, he's like 6 foot and I'm 5'3", so when I wear a heel I feel taller. I wouldn't say tall, but taller, and it makes your legs look extremely long because it has a flare and a hidden heel underneath it. So I love that. I never got it altered. Usually I always have to get my pants altered, but I left these and they're just the jean that I wear with heels. So I would not wear these jeans with flats because they're way too long and I need a heel, and I do like that elevated look of looking taller. So a dark wash denim, whichever style you like. You might like a straight leg, mum jeans, or like me, a flare jean. For this particular jean cut is really, really classy in my opinion. And I got these from Another Stories. If you're interested, they are an online Swedish store, but also if you're in New York, they have a store on 42nd right across Bryant Park and on Fifth Avenue. Just continuing with trousers, I just wanted to quickly share just like a white trouser. These ones I absolutely love. They're not a true white. I would say they're more like an ivory. Love a trouser. They're so easy to style. I wore these the other day with like a big chunky net. I'll insert a photo of that, and just it was like a bright purple net, and who thought that purple and ivory looks so good together? I never really thought about it, but when I put these two together, they just looked stunning, and I'm so glad I did. So yes, a trouser definitely is an essential for fall, whichever color you like. It might be a brown or a black, but for me, I just wanted to mention the beige ivory trouser. Another accessory I wanted to share is a pair of sunglasses. These ones you might have seen in my Jamaica vlog if you watched it. If you didn't, you should. But these are gorgeous because they are like an toasty, I would say hazel color, and it just reminds me of fall and the leaves, the foliage of the leaves in Central Park. It just really reminds me of that. So I would recommend a brown tinted shade sunglass. I love that the shade, the tint is also brown, but also the actual frame is brown. I love that it matches that and it's not a harsh black against the brown sunglass. These are absolutely beautiful. I can't see myself, but I feel like I'm looking a little washed out right now. Not sure, but these are absolutely gorgeous and I would recommend a pair of sunglasses just to elevate your look. Moving on, this has definitely been more than 10 essentials, but bear with me because there is, I mean, some are grouped, like we've got jackets, like I mentioned, and then trousers, so I'm grouping some. But I wanted to mention a shirt dress, just like what I have on right now. It's a long sleeve shirt dress. This was from Net-a-Porter. They stocked it. They also had, I believe the Attico had a similar style, but this is another brand, Peter, can't remember the exact brand. I'll link it down below if they still have it. But it's a shirt dress, absolutely love it. It's, you know, you can definitely style it with a coat or a jacket on top and then long boots. And it's just more of an elevated fall transitional piece to wear out without freezing. Last item that I wanted to share is my boots, and I just wanted to mention these Paris, Texas boots in particular. These I would recommend. They are the perfect fall boot for going out, especially with the skirt and the stockings. They cut me right below my knee, and that's what I kind of wanted. These, to keep in reference, I had to get them done at the cobbler. They cut them and then restitched them and everything. He did an amazing job. He did such a great job that you can't even tell at all. It's like, so he was so precise with the stitching and everything is just done so well because they were quite long on me. They cut me at my knee and that's just not what I want. So I would recommend a good boot. It doesn't have to be Paris, Texas. I know Schutz is more affordable and they have beautiful boots as well, different styles. I want to add a black pair as well this fall. That pretty much concludes my 10 or a little bit more than 10 fall essentials that I personally can't live without in New York. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below your favorite item that you will be trying this fall, or maybe I forgot something off the list that's an essential for you during the fall. Definitely comment that down below. That would be very helpful. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. If you made it all this way, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and join my little community here on YouTube. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.